If you want to manage your accounts, perform analysis, trade simultaneously in a single platform, stay with us till the end of this video. Hello, I'm Yasi, and in today's video, I'll teach you how to use OpoTrade platform within the OpoTrade application. In the previous videos, we provided an overview of the platform and learned how to create an account. So now, to access the OpoTrade platform, open the application as usual, click on the blue icon at the bottom of the page to enter the OpoTrade environment. If you haven't made a deposit for your OpoTrade account yet, you'll see the deposit page. From here, you can make a deposit just like you would do for other accounts by clicking the new deposit button. And once your deposit is made, you can enter the charts, of course. So on the main page, you'll notice that the user interface is identical to TradingView platform, and as the platform uses the TradingView charts. So on the left side of the screen, you'll find tools such as trend lines, Fibonacci, patterns, brushes, zoom, and other useful features. And to select a trading symbol, click on magnifying glass on the top of the screen and search for your desired symbol. If you want to view two symbols on a chart simultaneously, use the plus button to add the second symbol to your chart. And from here, you can also access and select your preferred time frames. Additionally, candlestick settings can be customized to this section. To add an indicator to your chart, click the indicators button and select the one you need. One particular notable feature of this platform is the multi-chart option. By clicking this feature, you can view up to 8 charts simultaneously, which is incredibly helpful for identifying trends. If you slide the toolbar at the top of the screen slightly to the right, you'll find General User Interface setting and a screenshot button. To make trade, you can either use the trade button at the bottom of the page or click the red-blue button above the chart. So after entering the necessary details such as profit and loss limits, you can open a position or register an order through the limit and stop section. So using the account button at the bottom of the page, you can switch between your different OpoTrade accounts. So you can also access information such as open positions, orders, trading history, account summaries, and notification. In this video, we've covered an overview of the OpoTrade environment. If you have any question or need further assistance, please feel free to contact us through the website chat section. Thank you for joining us, and that was for today.